Free margin, equity, let's not leave behind balance and margin level. If you're someone who is interested in trading these indexes that I'm trading, for you to register a trading account, which is real or demo, right now, if you're watching this video on TikTok, the link is in the bio. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the link is in the description below or in the comment section below. Now, I would love you to understand what is happening here so that you can make the best decision for you, so that you can have a best journey in this trading environment. Now, whenever you're trading with the derived broker that I'm using, which is the derived broker that is offering these indexes, I want you to be careful and look at the free margin. This is free margin. Check free margin. And let me show you my real account, which is here. Now, this is free margin. This free margin does not move, right? That's the first thing. The free margin here does not what? Does not move. Now, let's go back to that demo account, right? This is a real account. So this is demo account, right? Now, on this demo account, the free margin is actually what? Moving. That represents that no matter if you have this icon here, this icon for the withdrawal and deposit, anything can be faked, right? So if right now you are actually impressed by someone who's trading and you are putting yourself under pressure, just know that appreciate what you have and don't be distracted by the noise that many people are making to market, so that you can lose a lot of money to them, to the market, and also have a miserable journey. All right. And now, when I'm looking in terms of trading, please be careful here with the margin. You can see that here I needed only $3.25, which is the in dollars, right? Which is under margin. Now, if we go this side and go to margin again, I need 3.20. However, here I did not have $3 to open this 0.01 lot size. How much did I had? I had 25 point something dollars. I removed that money. I transferred it to my wallet so that I can actually what? Risk free, which is I'm only risking the margin now. Right. Okay. As you can see here, I wanted to show you the money that I actually had. All right. Because you can see the transactions. These are the transactions here that I wanted to share with you. So I was able to remove the money that I actually had, which is it was 25 to be precise. Okay, now let's go back to the demo. This is the demo account. Yes, we are making profit here, and yes, be careful with the margin. All right, and free margin. Now passing from free margin, equity. Remember when you're trading, equity will affect margin level. Will affect what? Margin level. So my advice is that please stay tuned to this channel so that you can learn about the value of points. The value of points, so that you'll be able to calculate how much money should you risk per trade, and understanding the value of the points. So for now, and the balance, and not leaving behind the balance is the money that you will have. So in this case, we have so many accounts. This has $15, which is we're waiting for trading with it. This one has 23. This one actually has the 3. All right. Now, here is the reality of trading. You're trading with margin. However, if you want to trade like me, you don't just remove the margin, the money, the balance that is there, leaving only the margin that is needed. You don't do that. No, you don't do that, right? So with that being said, everybody, I love you all. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and just know that I love you. I want you to be safe. So do not be be alarmed when you see someone trading and you see the free margin moving, because if you're using a derived account, the margin will not move. The free margin, not margin, the free margin will not move. The same way that you see what's happening here, the free margin will not move. Please be careful, appreciate what you have, and be grateful for this journey, that you're still gonna make it. And stay tuned to this channel so that you can learn the right information about trading. I love you all. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and mwah.